Program number 16. Write a Python program that accepts radius of a circle and prints its area. Okay, what you will take as an input? Radius, and what you will find out? Area of a circle. So what is the formula of area of a circle? Tell me. Area equal to pi r square. Pi we cannot write it in the system, so that is why which value will take it? 22/7. This is the pi value, 22/7 or 3.14. Okay. So this is the pi value. Pi r square. R means what? Radius. Okay. So then multiply radius into radius. So this formula now I am keeping in the comment section. Otherwise error will generate. Okay. Now what you will take as an input? Radius. So r equal to int input. Int place you can take it as a float also, because radius we can take as a float value also. Okay. Now into radius of a circle. We will take only to the one input. What is that? That's radius only. Now we will find out the area. Area equal to, now I am taking 3.14. You can take it 22/7 also. Same results will generate. So 3.14 into radius into radius. Now call to the print command. Area of a circle. This is area. Now run the program. Suppose 34 I have taken. Now area of a circle is 3629.84. You can try with the float value also. Suppose. Now change the int data type. FLOAT, float. Okay. Again run the program. Now write it 2.45. See. Okay.